Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we take the confusion out of your money matters. Now here's something that might surprise you. Did you know that nearly 60% of Americans don't have a budget? And yet, many of them are still confused by terms like budgeting and financial planning, two concepts that sound pretty similar but have distinct differences. So what's the real difference between budgeting and financial planning, and why should it matter to you? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of both, and you'll be ready to take control of your financial future. First, a quick note. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult a professional for personalized financial advice. Let's kick things off with budgeting. In simple terms, budgeting is about short-term money management. Think of it as your financial to-do list, one that tracks your income, expenses, and savings on a monthly or yearly basis. A budget helps you figure out where your money is going and where you might need to make adjustments. For example, let's say you're spending $500 a month on dining out. You might realize that you could cut back and redirect that money toward your savings or a debt repayment plan. Budgeting is all about being intentional with your spending and making sure you don't spend more than you earn. Now, let's shift gears and talk about financial planning. Financial planning, on the other hand, is a long-term approach. It's about setting big-picture goals and creating strategies to achieve them. This could include planning for retirement, buying a home, funding your children's education, or building an investment portfolio. A financial plan includes many moving pieces like insurance, taxes, investments, and savings, all aligned toward your long-term financial well-being. For example, let's say Sarah is planning for retirement. She starts by figuring out how much she needs to save each month, considering inflation, investment growth, and her desired retirement lifestyle. That's financial planning. It's comprehensive and designed to secure your future. You might be thinking, okay, so budgeting is for the short term, and financial planning is for the long term. But how do they work together? Great question. A budget is a tool within the broader scope of financial planning. You can think of budgeting as the engine that keeps the financial planning train moving. Without a budget, it's easy to veer off track, overspend, or lose sight of your long-term goals. Budgeting helps you save for those big-ticket items in your financial plan, like a down payment for a house or the initial contributions to an investment account. So how can you get started? Here's a quick step-by-step guide to creating both. Step 1. Start with budgeting. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet to track your monthly income and expenses. Aim for the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Step 2. Once your budget is in place, you can start thinking about your financial plan. What are your long-term goals? A professional financial planner can help you with this step, or there are many online tools and calculators to guide you. Step 3. Review both your budget and financial plan regularly. Your financial situation will change over time, so it's essential to adjust both as needed. The more you keep track of these areas, the more confident you'll feel about your financial future. Let's put this all together with an example. Meet John, a 35-year-old engineer. He's been budgeting for years, but now he's ready to start planning for his future. He's been putting money into his savings, but after creating a financial plan, he realizes he needs to increase his retirement contributions and start investing more aggressively to meet his long-term goals. John's budget gives him the clarity on his current spending habits, while his financial plan helps him see the bigger picture for his retirement. With a solid plan and a practical budget, John feels empowered and in control of his financial destiny. In conclusion, while budgeting and financial planning are different, they go hand in hand. A budget keeps you on track today, while a financial plan secures your future. So, whether you're just starting or you're already deep into your financial journey, both are crucial steps to achieving financial stability and success. What's the first step you'll take toward better managing your money? Will you start with a budget or dive into financial planning? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Factful Finance. If you enjoyed this content and want to stay on top of all things finance, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video that can help you take your financial future to the next level.